what we're going to work on fixing today is something kind of quirky about how Blackboard works with assessments when you have matching questions. And so what happened is we made this vocab quiz that has two sets of matching groups, and we wanted this quiz to add up to 100 points. The problem is that when Blackboard sees this, it gave each of these matching questions, it puts all of the matching parts inside that one question. And that's fine, that works perfectly, but the way it does it by default is it doesn't allow partial credit, so if the student misses one section of that, they miss the question. It also does it so that this quiz doesn't add up to 100 points. So to fix those two problems, we're going to first make this quiz add up to 100. To do that, you can go through and manually change these points to 50 and 50, or to streamline it, you can go up here, select all, change that to 50 points, and update and regrade. That update and regrade, students have already taken this assessment and we need to tweak the point values. And so this is just going to alter their grades to match the way we want it to be graded. Now our quiz is worth 100 points, but it's still set up so that if a student misses one part of the match, they've still missed the question. So we're going to need to set these to have partial credit. To do that, we're going to click on the down arrow next to matching, go to edit, and under options, there's an option for allowing partial credit. Now also, now that I'm in here, I noticed that there's a star next to question text. It's not going to let us make any changes unless something's written in this box. So I'm just going to put matching part 1, but allow partial credit. And here where it says number of questions 10, we're just going to click on update partial credit percentage. And what that's doing is it's taking the number of questions you have and assigning them each an amount of partial credit they're going to get. So if we scroll down through, we now see that all of these have partial credit percentage at 10%. When we first opened this up, it was partial credit at 0%. And so that takes care of that problem. We'll submit and update attempts. And that's going to, once again, pop up with a dialog box wanting to know if we want to continue, just letting us know that that's going to adjust student grades. When it's adjusting those student grades, no data is being lost. It's just tweaking the percentage and the points. So we're good on this one. Now we're going to go to the second matching. Click on this down chevron, edit. Under question text, I'm going to put matching part 2. So I'm not sure why it let us create this already without that being filled in, but it won't let us submit our changes without filling something there. So we've got that. Allow partial credit. Check yes. I'm going to pause this to answer the phone. When we click allow partial credit, we get the same option down here to update partial credit percentage. If we look down, see they're all set at 0 right now. So number of questions 10, update partial credit percentage, and now they should all be at 10%. We're going to go up here and click submit and update attempts. We're going to say OK to the dialog box to let it know that it's OK to alter the student grades. And now we've got 2 questions that are worth 100 points that each allow partial credit. And it should have gone through and regraded all of the student assessments that have been attempted so far. And in a nutshell, that's how to take care of that quirky little problem with matching questions on Blackboard assessments.